23.5 million is the number of developers this year, so why not be the next one? In this video, you will learn about the top 5 languages you can learn in 2021. Anyway, what is the best language to learn in programming is not the best question to ask. It depends, like for every task, for everything you want to make, there's a programming language, there's frameworks that will help you do that task the best way, but there's no ultimate language, yeah. Don't let anybody lie to you. So I'll give you the 5 languages you could consider. There's no best language. First of all, Python. It's one of the best languages you could consider in 2021. You would ask me why. First of all, it is easy to learn. Second of all, it offers a clean code and well-structured one also. So you could read it anyways. Even if you don't know the language, it's easy to learn it and read the code even. For instance, it offers Django and Flask. Those are frameworks or libraries that help you build web apps. And other examples such as TensorFlow, Keras, SciPy, those are for the data science development. Although Python has been for a while now, but it makes so much sense to learn it in 2021. It's a very good language, trust me on this, you can take my word. Programming language number 2, KOTLIN. It is a general-purpose programming language, obviously, with type inference. It is also designed completely to be interoperable with Java, just like you can run Kotlin and Java code as if they are the best siblings. Moreover, from the time Android announced it was the official language and the first language to use in Android development, they gave the developers whatever they asked for, and it effortlessly combines object-oriented programming and functional programming, so it is a very, very good language. And by the way, the effortless interoperation of Java and Kotlin makes it very enjoyable to program Android apps. Kotlin is an easy-to-learn, open source and Swift language for developing Android apps. You can use it for Android, web, desktop and server-side development. Imagine that, it's a very good language. Programming language number 3, Java. Happy 24th birthday, Java. It's their 24th birthday. It has been one of the most popular languages for developing server-side applications, and it is also a practical choice for creating Android apps. It is an object-oriented language that does not require specific hardware infrastructure. It's also easily manageable and has a good level of security. Your apps are very secure with Java. Moreover, it is easier to learn Java in comparison to languages such as C++ and C. No wonder 90% of Fortune 500 firms rely on Java heavily to create their desktop applications and back-end development products. Yeah, got it right. Despite its industrial age, it is a very stable language and is not heading to retiring age anytime soon. This makes Java one of the most favorable languages in the next 10 years. Programming language number 4, you guessed it, JavaScript/Node.js. JavaScript, also known as Node.js, is a very good programming language for developers who want to work on client-side and also server-side. In fact, the 2018 report of developer skills by HackerRank shares that JavaScript is one of the most needed or most required programming languages in companies today. We'll be linking the article in the description so you can read it. Take a look. Go is a fairly new system-level programming language that has a focused vocabulary and simple scoping rules. It blends the best aspects of functional programming and object-oriented style. Go is the fastest growing language on GitHub, meant to replace Java and C++. A Stack Overflow survey, linked below in the description, reveals that Go is the 5th most preferred language among developers today. This is because Go solves issues like slow compilation and execution in large distributed software systems. This speed advantage has made Go a critical component of cloud infrastructure. So, if you're working in a serverless ecosystem, Go is the language for it. If you've reached this point of the video, you're a great human being. So don't forget to subscribe and click the like button below if you like it, or subscribe if you dislike. Peace.